Hello my friend. Welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe and support this channel. This preset link in the description. Here are example photo before and after using 𝗬𝗵𝗶𝗀𝗃. So, now let's get started. At first open your application Adobe Lightroom Mobile and import your photos in application. Then select a picture. Then go to the light panel. We'll adjust the exposure to 0.50. And contrast to -20. Highlight to -100. Shadows to 100. Whites to -100. And black to 20. Now go to the 𝗂𝗆𝗀𝗃. Follow these steps. And click Done. Now go to the color panel. Adjust temp data to 6. Tint go to 4. Vibrance to 60. And saturation to -30. Now go to the Mix tool. First red color. Hue go to -18. Saturation to 10. And luminance to -6. Go to orange color. Adjust the hue to -22. Saturation to -20. And luminance to 8. Go to yellow color. And just the hue -44. Saturation to -50. And luminance to -20. Go to green color. Hue to -100. And just saturation to -100. And luminance to 18. Go to aqua color. Saturation to -100. Go to blue color. Saturation to -100. Go to purple color. Saturation to -100. Lastly, go to magenta color. Adjust the hue to -14, saturation to -8. And luminance to 4. And click Done. Now go to Effect panel. And texture to 20. Clarity to 20. 𝗬𝗏𝗃 to 16. Now go to Details. Noise reduction to 13. Color noise reduction to 11. And finish. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo. Copy setting. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you next video.